having money conversation. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I tell my bitches we don't fuck niggas if they.
Hey yo, what's goody?
A&G love.
Hey yo.
Why you keep doing it?
I do it one more time. What? What the fuck was that, bro?
I don't know. You were doing it.
Yo, what's goody?
A&G loves.
We got it.
Qui and Ken.
What they doing?
I don't know. He looked like he put something in her food.
It's just called She Was Mad After I Did This Prank.
And I don't know why people be playing with their food, but you know, we can get into this video.
Why are you coughing and sneezing in my food? What are you doing with the disinfectant spray? Is that so spicy?
I'm sick, y'all. I'm getting sick. I don't feel too good, y'all. I ain't sick. I'm just getting sick for this video that I'm gonna be doing. So we just DoorDash some good Wendy's. Even though it might end up being nasty by the time you get here.
Wendy's.
So Quita, she got her food. Y'all already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be coughing and sneezing all over her food. Now, I ain't even gonna hold y'all up because the person that's bringing our food is arriving very, very soon. I possibly have about 5 more minutes. So I ain't gonna hold y'all. Let go hold and hop straight to this.
No, the twist.
Hey, y'all subscribe to my reaction channel. I'm dropping very, very soon. I'm dropping this week actually. Yeah, and Angela on Instagram, the realest Ken. Everything in the description box down below.
Okay.
You already done eating?
Yeah.
I'm still a little hungry.
My food was a little nasty. You ain't done?
No.
Oh, that is chili. I mean, Wendy's.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Bruh.
That's fighting words. That is fighting words.
Ken, bruh. Ken.
Help, I need some medicine.
Why you coughing and sneezing in my food?
I didn't mean to.
Bruh, then you coughed on me. Move. I was literally eating my dinner, Ken. With my lunch. Why was you coughing there? Move back.
It happens in
It
it.
don't matter. Why would you do that? I'm literally just eating. I didn't sneeze in your food.
Bro,
Move, cause you're not sick.
you're not sick. You ain't
You don't
sick.
piss me off. Move.
You don't piss me off.
That was real disrespectful. Ain't nothing in your throat. Yeah. Please. You doing that on purpose.
What are you doing with the disinfectant spray?
Get back. Don't spray me. Come on, man.
Why you
Bruh.
screaming though?
Why would you do that? Why would you cough and sneeze in my food?
You gonna get it in my eye?
You did it in your eye. You infected.
He always being dramatic. He always being dramatic.
My food in the garbage. No, we ain't got no car to go get no more food.
What you doing? You throw it in the garbage.
Bruh, you sneezed in it. You coughed in it.
Put that food back down. All you have to do is spray
And
it.
you sneezed in my food because you wasting food now. And you wasting my crackers and everything. Please. Can you get back? If you that sick, you need to go on somewhere. Now what if I sneeze in your stuff?
Don't spray that on your hands.
I know your mama taught you better than that. I know she did.
I couldn't catch it in time ago.
How you gonna catch it?
You couldn't catch it.
Sometimes you gotta sneeze and you can't do nothing about that. I couldn't turn my head or nothing like
Yes, you
that.
did. We got all this space in your house, and you want to sneeze right on my food.
So what you want to
If
sneeze?
you know you
like
about to
this?
sneeze.
My
You
leg
could
like
have just
this?
went over there by the stairs. You have to sneeze on me eating on my food.
You know when you sneeze, you gotta pause. At least you got your juice. I'm sorry.
It's the toppings have.
I'm Andrea, founder of a boutique handbag brand, A&G, and this is why I switched
That
to
was your
Shopify.
ads.
I ain't seen an ad in a minute.
It's that good.
Action video.
You acting like a kid. There was some kiddie stuff, but.
Some childish-ish.
So your throat hurt. You ain't been sick all day. So how your throat hurt? Now I gotta find me something else to eat. You need to go out and all that. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Can you come take care of me?
Can you just move?
I don't feel good.
You wasn't sick all day. So.
That lunch boy is old.
Man, it says December 2022.
Now you know we don't be eating the food and they get expired.
Of course.
Ain't nothing in this house.
I got a chicken pot pie in there.
I don't eat chicken pot pie.
Can you come take care of me?
Ken, you not sick.
Yes, I am.
Since when?
I'm sick right now.
Why he climbing over the chair?
Cause you playing with me. You sneezing on me.
Why?
That's real nasty. Get back.
Take care of me, please.
Not like
Get
smoke
back.
clown.
I'm going to the room.
Why are you going to the room?
I'm not gonna be you sneezing on me. Coughing on me. Snotty nose. No.
Come on, I'm not. I don't feel too good. What if I pass out of here?
Not what
I
he
ain't
said.
sick, y'all.
Look at his eyes.
Where you going? Where you going? Don't run from me.
I don't want to be sick.
I'm not sick.
Get out of here.
I'm not sick.
Get out.
I'm not sick. I'm not sick.
Move. Ken, I don't want to be sick. I don't want to contract.
It's the faces.
I know it's fake. I've seen it already. You're not sick. Payback's on you. I already saw it. Then look, payback's on you. Let me tell you this. You've been good all day, so now you want to sniff and sneeze.
Look at my eyes.
It's fake. I already seen it.
Look at my eyes.
I already seen it.
What that song?
You can't prank me. I already seen it. The joke's on you.
Ain't that Kodak song?
No.
Look me in my eyes.
I don't even know what you're talking about. Sing the song, baby.
Go, look me in my eyes. Tell me how you.
You don't want to give me no medicine?
You're not sick. I thought it was James you was sick.
Where you getting the shower for? I ain't even all the way sick. It's just building up. What are you doing?
You still sneeze and cough
But a sneeze just could be like dust. It ain't.
But you coughed on me.
That's
You coughed over my food.
that's oxygen.
What?
You did that on purpose.
But that's
You faked coughed and sneezed on my stuff.
fake. But it's just oxygen. It ain't no germs coming out.
You do a video with the fail. And I go,
No, you ain't get to eat your food. What you mean fail? You threw your food away over some fake ass. That wasn't even no real.
But you came to steal.
But that's still
You don't do
germs.
that on me.
Yeah, you don't like that.
Don't do that. You running the water bill up. Cause the water just running. Why you gonna cough on them like that? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so look, if y'all enjoy this video, which I'm pretty sure y'all enjoy every video. If you did, boy, let me tell you, hey, but back to what I was saying. I'm pretty sure y'all enjoy every video, because if y'all didn't enjoy every video, then y'all would be watching every video. So, like I said in the beginning, like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and let's keep subscribing to this channel. More bankers on the way.
You gotta say.
Don't do that. Don't ever do that.
The video is literally over. What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm talking about coughing and sneezing off people's food and stuff.
Oh, I thought I did something wrong, but I'm like, yo, we already watched the video.
It's nasty. Like, why would you do that? And they want to call it a prank. No. That's germs.
Let's get it.
Did some shit, can't speak on what I did. Take it, niggas, bitch, that's how I live. Jet blue, take a trip. Double my cup, I need that sip. Heard it been talk, gon' taste this clip. Stay on my toes like I can't slip. She shaking ass and she like strip.